Hi, I'm Jim Monk and welcome to our lesson on low-cost car insurance. We'll get into the details here of what you're going to discover in this little video we put together. Number one is tips for gaining low-cost car insurance rates. Two is what to do once you actually have these tips. And three, what you should be thinking about when you're out there actually looking for low-cost car insurance. So, let's get into a little bit of detail here real quick on what these tips are. So one of the most important things when you're looking for low-cost car insurance is that many consumers like you are looking for the best deal they can find from a reputable company, so that you know that when you go out there and you purchase that insurance policy that you'll be covered when you need it, if you ever need it. Fortunately, there are many things that you can do to help you lower your premiums and to allow you to find that affordable car insurance from companies that you can trust. So let's get into some of the details here. Number one is start shopping around. One of the biggest mistakes that many consumers make out there in the marketplace is that they go out there and they actually go with the first company they find. Be it something that it's convenient, it's easy to do, but it can actually cost you in the long run. So if you want to find cheap, low-cost car insurance, the best way, the easiest way is to go out there and start shopping around. Number two is a great way to go out there and find low-cost car insurance is by raising your deductible if you're willing to pay. By raising your deductible from $500 to $1,000, many times you can save as much as 40% on your premiums, and that's a great thing, especially in this marketplace that we are in today. Number three is another easy way to locate low-cost car insurance is by combining your auto and home policies, maybe your life insurance policy, with the carrier that you're with. Many times, many of these carriers offer breaks to customers that insure more than one policy with them, so take advantage of that. Number four is manage your commute or your meetings if you can. Many of the insurance companies today know that if you're driving a great distance or a further distance than the average, then you're at a greater chance or greater odds of having an accident. The closer you are to the home, the home, or if you're working in a home office environment, the more economical those premiums are going to be. Again, finding that low-cost car insurance, and that's again critically important. Five is also focus on your credit score. Surprisingly today, many companies in many of the states allow for the use of credit scoring. I know a lot of people think it's unfair, but they have been able to prove that there are pieces of information that can be gleaned from a credit score. So just be aware of that. So focus on your credit score. Ask the company that you're looking at going out there to buy insurance from if they run your credit and so forth, so at least that you're an informed consumer. Number six is evaluate your coverages. What's really needed here. If you own an older vehicle that's no longer being financed through a loan company, you may not need to carry full coverage on that vehicle, which will allow you to get away with a cheap car insurance or a more economical form of insurance. Again, it's kind of by a case-by-case scenario depending on your vehicle. And lastly, do defensive driving. This is one of the things that most consumers do not take full advantage of. Go out there, do defensive driving every couple of years, and you can save 10, 15, 20% depending on the company and the state that you're in. You can save some dollars there. So I hope you find this very informative. Again, it's been my pleasure to share this information with you. If you do want a competitive, non-biased, free quote, check out our site, trythisinsurance.com. Again, thanks a ton for checking us out. Additionally, check out our videos over additional insurance questions and topics. Take care.